Good morning, children! How are you today?
How are you, Teacher Far?
I'm doing fine, Teacher M. And I hope that our little viewers are fine as well, especially our grade 2 learners.
And because we're all doing fine, let's welcome everyone to
HAPIsabela TELEdukasyon for grade 2 mathematics.
Hey, Teacher Far! What's in the bags?
Oh, I have ripe bananas. I have bought 347 pieces of banana.
Do you want some, Teacher M?
Yes, I love bananas.
Okay, I'm going to give you 133 ripe bananas on one condition. You have to tell me how many will be left for me after I give you your share.
Oh, it's very easy, Teacher Far. 120?
No?
How about 140?
No, try again.
I'm just kidding, kids. I know what's the answer is. It's 214. But how did I get it?
And that's what we're going to take up in today's episode, right, Teacher M?
Yes, you're right, Teacher Far. So let's get started.
This TV lesson is anchored on the Capsulized Self-Learning Enhancement Tool or CAPSLET, Mathematics 2, Quarter 2, Week 1, Day 1.
In this TV lesson, you are expected to visualize, represent, and subtract 2 to 3-digit numbers with minuends up to 500 without regrouping.
The CAPSLET will serve as your guide for this particular episode.
And to help us deliver this TV lesson today, we are excited to introduce to you our guest teacher.
She is Teacher Hangeline Dundain of Busay Elementary School.
Good day, kids! How are you? Hope everyone is fine and in a good mood to learn. I am Teacher Hangeline and I will be teaching you a very interesting lesson which I'm sure will be very useful to you. Are you ready, children? It's time for us to visualize, represent, and subtract 2 to 3-digit numbers with minuends up to 500 without regrouping. I have here with me these things. Can you tell me what are these? Yes, these are bundles of straws in different colors. Now, can you tell me which bundle is the biggest in numbers? Yes, you're right, the bundle of red straws. This bundle has 100 pieces of red straws. If you recall our lesson in the first quarter, the bundle with 100 pieces is called hundreds. Which bundle is the next smaller in number? Okay, the bundle of yellow straws. This bundle has 10 pieces of yellow straws. Let's refer to them as tens. And the remaining white pieces are ones in number. And if you use the place value chart, the hundreds bundle is called flat, and the bundle in tens is called long, and the remaining knot in a group is called one. Others called it square. Now let us learn more. Let's have this situation and answer what is asked of us to do. Since most of you like chocolates, this situation would interest you better and answer what is asked of us to do. If I have 456 pieces of chocolates and I will give the 234 to my sister, how many pieces of chocolates are left for me? Based on the situation, how many pieces of chocolates do I have? Check! I have 456 pieces of chocolates. How many pieces of chocolates will I give to my sister? Check again. I will give her 234 pieces of chocolates. What is us in this situation? You're correct. We are asked to know the pieces of chocolates that were left for me. So how are we going to answer it? Let's do it this way. We should use the place value chart if we are going to visualize 2 to 3 digits number with minuends up to 500 without regrouping. We will solve 456 minus 234 equals n by using the flats, longs, and ones. We use 4 flats, 5 longs, and 6 ones, which is equal to 456. 4 flats is equal to 400. 5 longs is equal to 50, and 6 ones is equal to 6. And when we add them together, this will give us 456. Now let's subtract or take away 234 from 456. First, we cancel 4 ones from ones column. That's 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Second, we will cancel 3 tens from tens columns. That's 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Lastly, we will cancel 2 hundreds from hundreds columns, which we will now subtract 2 from 4. So that's 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. What is left now are 2 flats, 2 longs, and 2 ones. When we add them together, that will be 200 plus 20 plus 2 is equal to 222. So my dear children, how many pieces of chocolates were left for me?
Yes, correct. There are 222 pieces of chocolates left.
Were you able to figure out how we got the answer? If not, let's try to solve another example. Children, try to solve this other example. Let's take away 153 from 478. What's the first thing we should do? That's right. First, we cancel 3 from ones column. Second, we cancel 5 from tens column. And finally, we cancel 1 from hundreds column. And so we have 478 minus 153 equals 325. Let's have another one. Try to subtract 345 from 458. So first, cancel 5 from ones column. Next, cancel 4 from tens column. And finally, cancel 3 from hundreds column. We have 458 minus 345 equals 113. Using flats, longs, and ones really made our subtraction without regrouping easier.
Remember, in visualizing number using the place value chart, first, cancel the ones column. Next, the tens column. And the last is the hundreds column.
I hope you enjoyed our math lesson today, kids. This is Teacher Hangeline. See you next time. Goodbye!
Bravo! That's an excellent delivery of this TV lesson, Teacher Hangeline.
Absolutely, partner. Visualizing, representing, and subtracting of 2 to 3-digit numbers were explained well by teacher Hangeline.
If you have questions about this TV lesson, feel free to do so by writing or just text it to your teacher.
I'm sure that he or she will heartily answer all your questions.
Now, it's time for some reminders.
After this TV lesson, get your capslet in Math 2, Quarter 2, Week 1, Day 1, and go over the know and remember part of it. Then, answer the try part. You may ask your parents, older sibling, or anyone who is knowledgeable enough to help you out.
But if you've done answering it, you may review your answers just to make sure that all are correct.
And that's all for today, kids.
We hope that we have added your knowledge on numbers. Again, this is Teacher M.
And Teacher Far, hope to see you again next week for another fun of learning. And so we say,
Keep learning and have fun! Mathematics is for everyone! Until next time, goodbye!